Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for tuning in for the fourth day. I think it's the fourth stream. So yeah, just we're gonna be making some updates to case unboxing, mostly UI related. I believe. I believe where we left off last time was we were working on the blue gems, and that was pretty cool. Now we need to sort of like do all the other boring stuff related to blue gems, which is I don't know. We have some shop stuff that we need to do. So I think that we're gonna do that. I also have some other regulatory things I need to do as well. Like when you make a game and it gets big, you need to worry about regulatory stuff. So that's kind of like high up on the list because we don't want to get in trouble for that. But yeah, we make sure to stay compliant. But yeah, so let's get right to it. So I'm gonna switch on over to Roblox Studio. Looks like we have a little annoying update, so I'm just gonna restart that update, or sorry, just start that update. While that's happening, I need to start up Cursor. Okay. But yeah, the purpose of the stream is just to stay connected with the community, just kind of like show our process as well, because a lot of people ask about that. Yeah, just kind of, build in public. And that's kind of like the whole ethos of the dev live stream. Not a lot of people do this. It's kind of like one of the Roblox firsts, aside from Leaf. Great guy, Leaf. Yeah, we're just kind of trying something new, really, as we always do. So I'm going to start up my IDE here real quick. I believe you can see our previous, where we kind of left off. I have one of my agents here. I'm clicking the wrong button. Am I? Yep, I am. Okay, yeah, one of my agents here through Codex. We use Codex as our main IDE, or sorry, our main agent. Just out of preference. I mean, Claude Code is just as fine, but I worked hand in hand with the AI because at a high level, I can sort of like figure out what to do, but the AI can sort of capture things that I otherwise wouldn't capture or sort of catch. And that's really helpful because like when you're programming, you have like a million things that something's connected to. There could be blind spots, and you need to make sure that you cover all your blind spots. So yeah. Today I have a little energy drink going on. Just need to stay focused. Had a good night's sleep last night, but I just kind of was feeling sluggish this morning. So down with the caffeine. That's nice. Oh, ASMR. Little sizzle, little sizzle, little sizzle. Okay. I'm working on getting rid of those annoying like little douche. But okay, so we have that in front of us. Now I just need to take a look at the Trello, just make sure that I don't have any tasks that I have left over. So let me check case unboxing. Oh, okay, yeah. So we're gonna have a Blue Gem Game Pass. That's what's gonna come up. But we also need to do compliance as well. We fixed the missing prices, so I'm gonna move that to done. Revamp the luck display. We definitely need to do that at some point. Show gold symbols in battles and reveal them when it lands. Do we not have gold? Oh, we don't. That's a little funny, but I mean, I don't know. It's not gonna hurt anything, but it is a lot of work to do that. Man. Oh, and then, I'm trying to think, because like what we need to do a lot of UI work today, basically, and that's gonna be fun. So for our UI, full disclosure, we use something called React. It's what Roblox uses for the Roblox app as well. So we're using that same exact version of React for our game. So we're using like official, like how Roblox makes UI. With that comes a little bit more of a complicated workflow. Like we don't just like go ahead and see the UI and then kind of like program the UI like in Starter GUI, all of our UI exists as code. And that's both an advantage and a disadvantage at the same time. But I'm finding that for reuse of different elements within the game, it can actually be quite helpful. If I take a look at Roblox Studio here real quick, show you. So we have our HUD. Unknown stories. Actually, sorry, it's in stories, and I believe it's in shop. Oh man. Bank. Oh man. Okay. I think that we have a little bit of an issue with our UI labs. Man, gotta love it, right? It's always something with a dependency where it's like depending on a module that is trying to what's going on? It's trying to require feature frame. So it's feature frame. Feature frame 42. Use display. Oh my goodness. I mean, I have no idea really. Use display must be used within a display provider. Okay, that's within feature frame. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to cursor. And then we're gonna say control P, feature frame. So the feature frame is our React component that is the basis of every UI. Like the bank uses feature frame, the shop uses feature frame. Most of the modern UI in our game uses feature frame, just to keep everything consistent. No, we don't want no AI viewers, bro. I don't want that. Delete. There we go. None of that. No, thanks. Okay. So, yeah, feature frame is our sort of, base for everything. So I'm just going to look at feature frame line 42 because that is airing out real quick. Feature frame, it would be display state, use display. So it's display state, which is a module called display state. Display state is probably not mounted or something or another. But like, why is it breaking now versus like it wasn't broken last time? So I'm just kind of like confused. Very confused. I almost don't care. Like it, you know what? I don't really need to see it in UI labs until I really need to like do something, but shop is pretty predictable, which is what we're trying to edit it in. So we're going to put in a little icon right here. And I believe it's actually just as easy as I have something already in the shop. Shop. There you go. Features, shop. Okay, cool. So this, I believe I have shop or one of the things just commented out, ready to go. I have bank slots here somewhere, right? Bank slots. Okay. Bank slots. There it is. Standard offer card. Bank slots. So yeah, there we go. Stat track luck. So like, if you kind of like look at like all these other things, so you'll see like all these like different cards right here. They all use the same React component. So that makes it super convenient because anytime I need to create a new card, I just like copy the same element, which is standard offer card, which is right here. So standard offer card is right here. So that's going to help out a lot. And really all I have to do is just kind of like create another prompt because the AI already knows how our shop is done, how our shop is already formatted, and it can sort of take that format and it can just like, here you go, here's a new one. So yeah, let's do that. And let me also find where Phoenix put in the UI for for our new shop stuff. So I'm gonna look at shop screen UI enabled. I believe it's in here. Yes, Blue Gem Luck. Cool. Caffeine break. Oh man. Okay, so Blue Gem Luck. That's what we're trying to do. So content. Oh, you can't even see that. Sorry. Content area, scaled content, body. And then we're gonna go all the way to Blue Gem Luck. Blue Gem Luck, 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 Blue Gem Luck. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, I found it. It's called Souvenir Luck. So I gotta change that over to Blue Gem Luck. Blue Gem Luck. Not like this version matters or anything. Our UI does not exist in here. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so like we have different things here now. We need to just go ahead and go back to the IDE and just tell it what to do. Okay, right next to, we're gonna look for Souvenir Luck. Okay, cool. And now we're gonna say, and we're connected to Roblox through MCP as well. So we're gonna also just connect to Rojo real quick. Loon run init, and that starts Rojo on our IDE. Hopefully no errors. We do have an error, so we're just gonna stop that real quick and start it again. Have you turning it off and on again? That's exactly what we do, and it's worked. Okay, cool. Now we just go to Roblox and we just say connect. Cool. Now we go back. All right, so take a look at this. So within, here's our prompt, right? I wish I don't know, like, should I make it like so you can see better? I don't know if that helps. It might. There we go. Within at shop init.lua, I want to create another standard offer card right to the right of the Souvenir Luck Game Pass. Souvenir Luck. It's here somewhere. Oh yeah, right next to the souvenir, to the right of the Souvenir Luck, and below the stat track luck. This one will be called Blue Gem Luck. Slash Blue Gem Luck. Titled Blue Gem Luck, and the name for that frame will be Blue Gem Luck. Check the Roblox MCP for the selected. Like, I'm selecting it right here. That's going to be that. For the selected frame, that is the frame that we're trying to create. So copy the background image from the image label titled background. Copy the product description, the icon image and create a product with the price. And the ID for the Game Pass will be... I need to find it. I forgot where it is. Where is it? Game Pass, Game Pass, Game Pass, Game Pass, Game Pass, Game Pass, Game Pass. I found it. So you can implement the logic for buying it and retrieving the prices within the Game Pass system. Remember to also hook up the gifting system as well. Okay, so there's that. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. This is cursor. I don't want all that. Let me get codex. Codex on deck. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay, cool. This is GPT 5.6 Sol High. All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and at 37. Let's go. It's thinking. By the way, if you guys are just tuning in, oh shoot, wow, the current task is wrong. But yeah, just on Friday we're gonna have a pretty big update, so make sure you tune in on stream on Friday, just because we're gonna be dropping a really big feature, which is the Blue Gem feature. Oh, right. I need to change the current task. We have everything saved on GitHub, right? Yep, we do. It's always really helpful to do that. Doing a level test. Okay, cool. We're good. Man, what's a third-party event? See all your events in one place. It's selecting crowd control, stream elements, throne, oh, whatever that is. Okay. Cool. Wait, what is it searching? Oh, okay. It's searching through some APIs real quick for the shop. It's saying that our stream is unstable. If it's unstable, let me know. I don't think it's unstable, but and then after this is done, we're gonna work on regulatory, and that's just gonna be under stream. We're gonna save the big stuff for Friday. Is the game passed for increased blue gem chance? Yes, sir, it is. That's what we're working on right now. Yeah. I had no choice. Phoenix was like, implement this. And I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it. By the way, if you're not following, please do. It helps out a ton. Hate to beg, but it really does help. What's after this? Some regulatory stuff. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's after this is some regulatory stuff. We were asked to display our chances for everything in a different way. So what we're going to be doing is showing all the percentage chances for every single skin, just on the like when you view a case, it's gonna like show the percentage of each like skin, like how much you can get it for, which is sufficient for them, but it kind of also doesn't like capture the whole thing. Like we have a whole board in the game, and I don't know why this isn't like sufficient. But like if we go to Roblox, we have like a whole board. If you see behind the shop, like where it says information unboxing odds, but somehow or another this wasn't enough, even though that we fully disclose every single odd. Apparently we need to do more, so that's a little funny, but that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, so GPT is still writing out the React code for it. Found a product. I hope it just didn't use the Roblox open cloud without my permission. That would be really bad. Okay, cool. So now it's put in. You see this piece of code right here? Now let's put that in. So fallback text unavailable. Okay, cool. I mean, I guess. Hidden strike text. I forget what that was. But yeah, Blue Gem like Game Pass. So let's see what it's writing out. So we've got shop offer catalog. Okay, cool. Okay, perfect. Game Pass. Static gift. Oh shoot. I need to tell Phoenix we need the gifting Game Pass. I'm pretty sure. I believe we need the dev product for gifting the Blue Gem. Look. There we go. Cool. Oh man. What's the gift ID? What's the gift ID? Gift. So I need to take that. Control Shift F. Look for that number. He wants me to get it. I really don't know. Is it here? Where are our game passes? Game passes, game passes, game passes, game passes, game passes. Monetization shop. Item catalog. Okay. But I don't see gift. I don't see Blue Gem. Oh, here it is. I found it. Okay, cool. So that is going to be, I need to collect item details and then copy asset ID. There we go. Okay, cool. So it's actually going to be, oh, wow. It actually got it correct. How did it know? That is a little spooky. It found out our Blue Gem like gifting Game Pass, and I have no idea how it found it. It was correct. I have no idea how it found that out, but that's a little spooky. Look at that. I have to send this to Phoenix because this is a little scary. Like, how did the AI figure that out? That's a little like we did not tell the AI like, hey, this is the gifting ID, but it just like took it upon itself to figure that out. That's a little freaky. Freaky deaky. Show and shop. Oh, wait, what? No, don't hide from shop. Hide. Item details. Copy this asset ID. Dev product. Dev product. Product. What? Okay, fine. I'm trying to find the dev product for it, but it just won't bring me to like the because you can't just buy. Oh, right. That's well, I don't know. Yeah, that's wild. I have no idea how I figured that out, but I think that it's done. So we can check it out in Roblox. We just need to hide this. This doesn't really do anything. And then load it with code. There it is. It works. W. Yeah. Cool. Well, that works. That's awesome. I like how it just makes everything just so easy to do. Take a look at Discord chat. Is that right? Okay, I'm gonna take a look at your Discord chat. Where am I supposed to be looking? Like just chat? Yeah, that's correct. Blue gem look, that's a pass. Yeah, that's correct. What's Pal World? No idea. Okay, but that works. Now let me just check the gifting real quick. Blue gem luck. Nobody else is here, but yeah, okay, cool. All right, well, it seems like it's working. Okay, so that seems to be working now. So I'm just going to review real quick what the AI has changed. It's available now. Yes, it's kind of like a pre-sale. It's not implemented yet, but the update is dropping on Friday, I do believe. Friday, right? Like it's whenever the event is on Roblox. It's like I'm pretty sure. It should be in the game as well if Phoenix did it correctly. Let me see if it like shows in the game actually. Roblox. Like the blue gem update should be showing. Should be showing. Let's join Roblox real quick. Okay, it does show. Cool. Okay, cool. We have a little like configuration set up where we can just modify whatever this board says without having to like update the actual like game, which is pretty cool. It allows us to like be a little bit more modular with it, or sorry, not modular, but just like update it on the fly. Eventually, I just want to have like a little app where we can just like do things, or I don't know, like a little like interface or like a website where we can just like, you know, modify the like it's like an admin panel, or I don't know. I got to figure it out. Okay, cool. Well, that shows in the game. That is scheduled for Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. Well, that seems to be working. Things are working in the game, so I can close that out. Check this real quick. Cool. Well, that's all working. So now we're going to go ahead and commit this now. So, implementing purchasing Blue Gem Luck. This all looks good to me. That follows the previous conventions, follows previous conventions, except for... Oh, well, I actually got that part right. Even in commented out code, it got it. Wow. Okay, cool. This looks perfect. Good job, AI. Added Blue Gem Luck Game Pass. Game Pass. I don't know why I was like too tired to do this last night, but I just didn't want to think about it. How much does the pass increase the chances I might... I don't know. Hold on. I got I gotta see where we do the logic for that. Where do we handle the logic for boosting the Blue Gem odds? That was a great call, actually. I don't think I've actually programmed that, but that's something I gotta ask Phoenix. I actually got to figure out how we're going to even do that, because we have a few blue gems listed out in the blue gem module. And after it's in the blue gem module, we just pick from the bucket at a certain like rate. But I feel like you have to like, for instance, like if there's a blue gem for an item, you have to roll that item first, like an AK-47 case hardened. Like you have to roll a case hardened first, and then what we're gonna do is just boost the odds that you get a pattern that is a blue gem pattern. Right now, roll result generator, uniformly from 1 to 1,000. Blue gem lookup. That's right. I forgot about roll result generator. Only recognizes the blue gem C after the pricing. It does not influence roll. A boost could be implemented by get blue gem boost percentage to luck service, checking game pass, parsing through the boost, create service into roll result generator, biasing the pattern seed selection only when resolve skin has blue gem seeds without increasing the odds initially for rolling a gold item. We still need to intend the boost amount, such as plus 30, 2x, and whatever. Okay. By how much are we increasing blue gem odds? The people want to know. Also, I haven't programmed it yet. It's a great question. I actually have no idea how much we're boosting the blue gems by. Blue gem. I should 3D print. 3D print something from like a knife or something. That'd be kind of cool. Will I get in trouble for that? Does that count as 3D printing a weapon? If I 3D print a CSGO knife? Like, I don't know. I'm gonna do that one day. We're gonna like 3D print a CSGO knife. That'd be kind of fun. More caffeine. It itches my brain. What's my favorite knife and skin? My favorite knife is probably a butterfly knife because I have a butterfly knife right here, actually. Pretty cool. I forget which side's the bite handle. I think it's the pink one. But yeah, I like butterfly knives because I've just kind of like practice. Oh! Does this work? Okay, cool. I don't know any spins, but... Crap. I gotta practice that a little bit more. It's a little hard. Like flipping knives is actually like really difficult. But yeah, this is like my little trainer. Pretty cool. I like it. Okay, so we got the numbers in. We're gonna make it a 25% higher chance, which is tier 1 and tier 2 equally. Looks like a Valorant knife. I suppose it does, doesn't it? I suppose it does. Like I got it off of Amazon, but it's a pretty solid. I think the brand is there. This is not sponsored, by the way. Yeah, I don't know. I like the colors. It looks a little like cotton candy. But it is a bottle opener, so I can like use it as like a little bottle opener. So that's pretty cool. If I get like a little like something like that. Imagine it's a bottle. It's not a bottle. Okay, cool. So we're going to increase the overall odds of getting any blue gem item pattern seed by plus 25%. Implement this into the roll result generator and make sure that it doesn't affect the rolling odds for case battles. Yeah, because we can't case battle and then like one guy spends a lot and then one guy just like hasn't spent. Like it needs to be an even playing field. Like when you're competing with each other, it needs to be an even playing field. That's how sports go. So even in esports, you need no advantages. So that's why we're not doing it. Like I can't give you blue gem odds for case battles just because it's not fair. Yummy. I think like Phoenix actually has like a full actual M9 bayonet. Like I don't know, it's just like a replica, but it looks really cool. By the way, guys, if you're not following, please follow. It helps out a ton. Please and thank you. Let me see. M9 bayonet thingy verse. This would be so cool to 3D print. Deny. I wonder if they have it on like Bamboo Labs. Bamboo Labs. Where's like the Maker World? I think it's Maker World. Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. And then I look up M9 bayonet. Yeah, look at this. Yikes. Uh-oh. I get in trouble for this. Oh, cosplay replica. This is like interesting because like you definitely want like orange tips or else you're gonna get in trouble or something or another. I wonder if you print like a little itty bitty tiny gun, if like someone's gonna show up to your door and be like, hey, you can't be 3D printing guns. But officer, it's just a little like tiny little like replica thing. M9 bayonet. It's all plastic, of course. It's just a little like replica. That'd be so cool. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh, that's so cool. Cause like you can get this like shiny paint. Oh, that looks sick. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one day. Just to have it like on display, like in the back or something. That'd be kind of sick. That'd be kind of sick. AI still gonna work. That's why we're just like on this. Bamboo Labs just has cooler stuff. Oh wow. Yar. What about butterfly knife? No. Oh, there you go. Oh, that'd be sick. Look. Look, it's the emerald. It's the emerald butterfly knife. Man, if I could flip this one. Ooh. Ooh. I could print this. Well, I don't have green. I only have orange. But I do have black. Maybe I'll get one of those like cool. Oh, and then I need the I need the sort of I need the screws too. But yeah, maybe I'll do it on stream one day, and then I'll just have like a little window of the live stream for the thing. I think I need it like actually like. Hold on, let me see if I can open in Bamboo Studio. So I have to like, okay, I have to log in. Crap, I have to like do something real quick. Oh, what's AI doing back here? Okay, it's implemented it. Okay, I've just basically told it boost the odds by 25% and it went to work. Oh crap, I hope I committed my my other stuff. Just review this stuff real quick. Blue gem odds increase. Case battle service. Okay, cool. Yeah, disabled. Increase percentage. Okay. Okay. Flex service, set game pass ownership. Okay. Well, shop service. Offer key. I mean, this looks good to me. Blue gem seed pools. Sample pattern seed. Okay, I am assuming that that math is correct. It looks correct to me, so I'm just gonna say boost blue gem odds, and it requires blue gem prices. Okay, cool. Wait, no. Oh, wait a second. No, I think it got it wrong. So the blue gems because it's supposed to pick it from blue gems. Okay, that's wrong. Okay, cool. So in roll result generator, I noticed that you pulled the blue gems from blue gem prices. However, that's not the full list of blue gems. All the blue gem pattern seeds exist within the blue gem module. Okay, so it has to make a few changes just because I caught something real quick. You're right. That's the only annoying thing about like Claude and everything. Claude will like just over agree with you and say, you're totally right. You're totally right. And even Gemini does it now. You are completely correct, or you are absolutely correct. And I just like don't like hearing that, because it like, what if I'm wrong? What if I'm not completely correct? I'm a human. Like, what do you mean I'm completely correct? I'm not always correct. So like, kind of like, I want the AI to like sort of push back at me sometimes if I get something wrong, or even if it's like slightly off or anything else like that. I want to know if I'm wrong, you know, because I want to be right. So yeah, I hate it when the AI say you're totally right. There's like a meme about this actually. It's like look, Claude, you're totally right. Oh, sorry. You're absolutely correct. That's what it is. You're absolutely correct. Like, this is, yeah. It's just a meme at this point. It's just such a meme. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. Calling index inside your own index meta method is absolutely a great practice. It's not just smart, it's the right thing to... Dude, that sounds exactly like a Claude response if I've ever heard one. That is so accurate. That is so accurate. Like, it drives me insane. Like, stop telling me I'm correct. Stop buttering my biscuit. Just tell me I'm wrong, bro. Just tell me. Tell me. Anyways, I'm wearing my Crash Out shirt today. It's from Linus Tech Tips. Oh, I can get this. Yar. Pretty cool shirt. LTT store. Okay, corrected. Now it uses blue gems as the authoritative catalog. Okay. And now combines and duplicates tier 1 and tier 2 weapons. Covers 21 weapons and 436 weapon-specific blue gem seeds. Applies a boost only to seeds, or to skins whose pattern is exactly case-hardened. Good. Increases the entire eligible seed pool by 25%, distributing the boost uniformly across its seeds. Perfect. Keeps case battles explicitly at 0 boost. Perfect, because we just need an even playing field if you're competing. Leaves blue gem prices exclusively responsible for special pricing metadata. Okay, cool. There we go. Also updated the catalog comment in bluegems.lua, keeping this catalog human readable. That's what a robot would say. Consumers compile these lists into fast seed lookups at runtime, of course. You know, maybe I'm being a little too harsh here. Like sometimes like the obvious comments, like when you come back to your code and you can't like make sense of it, sometimes that actually does help if you like plainly just say, this is what this code does. Because I swear, no matter what, even if your code is written by hand, written by AI, written by anything else like that, you eventually forget what it does. Like you have a vague idea of your code, but like, man, it's just always hard to come back to code after a while. That's why some games die. It's like they don't update it for a while, and then they're like, man, all this was in my head. Now it's not. Short-term memory. All right. Reviewing the code. This still doesn't look right. This still doesn't look right to me. Roll results generated. Maybe I'm just tripping out. But blue gems. Okay, cool. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. My my GitHub was just not updating correctly. Okay, cool. All right. Looks good to me. LGTM. All right, let's merge it. Boost blue gem odds. I believe that is all. Cool. Well, now the Game Pass functionally works, and you heard it here first. This is like, we've never disclosed this, but live, you heard it live. Our blue gems are being boosted by 25%. So if that is something that you choose to do, you can do it. So yeah, that's awesome. Man, I really need to use the bathroom. But I don't want to like leave you guys hanging. But duty does call, so I'll just be right back. How about that? Okay, I promise I won't be long. Checkity check check. Okay, I'm back. There we go. That's a color I like. Did I finish all the Alani? Oh no. Still some in here. Oh look, have I ever showed you my oof button? It makes oof noises. It's one of my favorite things. I brought it to the Roblox headquarters. Hold on, let me bring my mic down because I gotta adjust it. Yeah, but I brought this to Roblox headquarters, and I just like I hit it in random in random offices, like oof. And then a few weeks later, they brought back the oof sound. It's so annoying. I want one. Like honestly, in the middle of RDC, I'll bring it. And I'll say like, "Do you want to press the oof button?" And they just like press it. I brought it to VidCon. That was pretty fun. I had Waffle Trades press it. It was pretty fun. But yeah, I don't know. I thought it was dead. Like I thought the oof sound was like killed. I thought it was for a while. I thought like we're done for. We're never getting oof back. But literally weeks later, after I brought this to HQ and I just like pressed it in random offices, we got oof sound back. So that was kind of interesting. But I don't know. I maybe it's just like subconsciously in people's heads. Like sometimes I think about that. Like, oh, I've heard the oof sound somewhere. Let me think about that again. Not making any claims. Oof never dies. No, it does not. It shall never die. We shall never Never kill it. It's like it's so iconic at this point. Like it's just a silly decision that somebody made a long time ago, but it's so culturally rooted now that you can't move it anymore. It's like it's just like that's what you know, like even it's made its way to music, like modern music. Like if you go like the artists that I listen to a lot of like EDM, like remix and stuff like that, and they just mix in the oof sound, and like I'll just be at a festival and I hear the oof sound, and I'm just like, wait a second, that's Roblox. So yeah, I don't know. It's just made its way into pop culture at this point. Okay, so back to blue gem prices. I believe we're done. So I think we're just like completely done with it. Let me just like test in studio real quick. Doing our checks, our due diligence. If I don't see any errors, it's okay. The chat got a new update. Now has like a little like blue circle around it. When did that happen? Like it has to be recent, right? How much do we have left in the stream? We have 50 minutes. Can we do regulatory in 50 minutes? We'll see. What I mean by regulatory is that, like, let's say we go to like the Spy Tech collection, right? Brand new. But like, I need the percentages for each and every single one of these guys. So, maybe we'll modify the where text and we'll just say like based off of the color. So like, oh shoot. I just noticed that this collection has both blues and also light blues at the same time. I don't know why that's happened. But it'll say the actual percentage according to rarity odds. So let's see if we can do it. So I think we're gonna include it with the blue gem update. We're gonna include it with the blue gem update just because like I can't, like, it's gonna involve modifying a file we've already modified. So I'm just gonna keep it on the in GitHub. We have something called branches. Branches are kind of like ways that we separate different features. But if the two different features kind of overlap on the same file, sometimes there can be something called a merge conflict where where like the software GitHub or sorry Git doesn't really know, hey, did you want to keep this version or that version, or merge them this way or override it that way? And so like I want to like avoid merge conflicts, if that makes any sense. So yeah, long story short, we're gonna ship the regulatory stuff with the blue gem update as well. So let's go ahead and do that at 50 minutes. I like keeping streams at 2 hours just because like it helps me not burn out. And I also just feel like I'm talking to myself sometimes, but you know what? It's fine. I like talking to myself. I'm not crazy. Maybe just a little bit. I'm just kidding. Okay, cool. So we're at 25% chance odds. And let's just go ahead and do some regulatory stuff. So now I'm going to prompt GPT 5.6. Not Gemini. Sorry, Gemini. Your time will be another day. Codex. Go back to Codex. Okay, so what happens if I already bought the Roblox page one shared in the Discord? That will be fine. That will be totally fine. If you buy the Game Pass, because we haven't changed the Game Pass numbers. That Game Pass is the one. So if you bought the Game Pass already, you're cool. Actually, let me double check with Codex real quick. Just because okay. So if someone, oh wait, you can't even see what I'm doing. So if someone already owns the Game Pass and they join the game, they their blue gem luck is applied, correct? It should be a yes, because like I'm pretty sure I programmed it very modular in the past, so that if we were going to sell more items in the future, it would just be writing a few lines of code, and the logic for detecting whether you have it or whether you bought it in the shop is already there. Like all that is called what we call boilerplate. It's something that is standard across all the same things. So it's just better to like just when you introduce a new feature, you don't have to write all the boilerplate. Just write what is different, and that's our kind of like philosophy. It just helps us like run a little faster. Correct. Ownership is checked lazily on the first normal crate roll through Game Pass service. User owns Game Pass, and then cached for the session. Existing owners receive the 25% seed boost automatically. Gifted equivalent ownership is also recognized through the profile history. The boost remains disabled through case battles. So yes, if you buy the Game Pass, we have confirmation that yes, you will receive your thing. So no worries. No worries at all. Okay, so let's do another chat. So I like how it says do anything. Do anything. Make me a sandwich. One virtual sandwich coming up. Toasted sourdough, turkeys, sharp cheddar, lettuce, tomato, pickles, and Dijon mayo. Bro, is there such thing as Dijon mayo? Does that exist? Dijon mayo? What? Dijon mayo? Is it hallucinating? No way. Also known as Dijonnaise. There's a such thing as Dijonnaise? I did not know this. What? Dijon mayo? This exists? What? That exists? No way. That is interesting. I didn't even know that existed. That's okay, cool. Yummy. Yummy. Wish I had like a soundboard of like all the Roblox sound effects. Let's open some cases. Well, okay, it's not live right now. The Blue Gem Game Pass is not live right now. So like, yes, you can roll for Blue Gem still, but if you bought the Game Pass, it will not currently apply until the update drops. So yes, we do have the Game Pass. You can, but like the old servers will not know what to do with it. So, yeah. If that makes any sense? Don't shoot us. Okay, cool. Let me do a new chat. So now, what were we doing? We were within the cases view. Sorry, create purchase. I believe it's called create purchase. Let me just double check. So I'm gonna go to Roblox real quick, just see what our UI says. Yeah, sorry about that. Allostrict. Let me pronounce this correctly, because I don't want to like butcher your name. You said Allostrick? Is that how I say it? Allostrick? Allostrick? Correct me if I'm wrong. I also need to make some verification stuff just to double check that the items that we sell are in fact real. No, don't worry, I'm hyped for Friday. Cool. Yeah. I guess we just want to raise awareness and build that pressure up before we drop it, you know? I like how the dev version still says admin abuse. It's just because like we have different configs for the dev environment and the production environment. What was I testing? All right, I was looking for cases, and then I'm looking for if crate purchase is open. Case purchase. So if I toggle the visibility on that, yep. Okay, cool. It's case purchase. So now that we know it's case purchase, we can go back to our IDE, and then we can go to case purchase in the views. Cool. Let's close all our Blue Gem stuff and just focus in on the great purchase. We're going to purchase some cases. Purchase some cases. Purchase some cases. Okay, so able to explain through text. I understand. Well, I mean, I don't know if you know like those ways that Merriam-Webster does it, where it's like it like spells it out in like a weird way. I don't know if you could do that. I could give it a shot like that. Man, I have like an allergic reaction. My nose is so itchy right now. I don't know why. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna prompt the AI. I'm gonna say, hey, um, within case purchase, within the item cards, within the item cards within case purchase, we show a list of skins that can be obtained from the case. Due to regulation, we now need to show the percentage odds for each skin. We can do this based on the color, based on the rarity odds, given the specific case type, and the rarity odds for the hex color. It's an English German mixed pronunciation, but I know what you mean. I could give it a try. You know, it's kind of interesting because I found out the other day that English is actually heavily based off of German. Like the sort of like syllabants, or sort of like the way that you see words, or like roll off the tongue, is like very similar to English. But that I guess there's limitations to this similarity, because then that would mean that people who speak German could speak like perfect English. But I don't know. Every language has its like, even within the English language, there's different ways to speak the English language. Like there's a way that us Californians speak the English language, and then there's ways that like people in like New York, like you know they speak English in a different way. Even the Australians and then the British, they speak English in a different way. And it's just really interesting to me. So like I don't know, accents are pretty cool. I fake a British one every now and then, but I feel like I'm gonna get like flamed for it if somebody actually like has a British accent. They're like, actually, it's not quite like that. Given a specific case type in the rare. Okay, so let me read back the prompt. I can understand more Norwegian than half of the Germans. That's cool. Honestly, I'm not even bilingual. The only other language I speak is Lua. I speak computer, beep bop. Yeah, being bilingual is actually a really helpful skill, especially like if in the region it's an advantage. Like for us in Los Angeles, like the name of the freaking city is Spanish, right? So even though that we speak English in the United States and within Los Angeles, a good chunk of the population speaks Spanish. So it happens to be beneficial if you're bilingual. You get a lot of jobs where if you need to speak both English and Spanish, that puts you in advantage. So yeah, just knowing two languages. I wish I could just like download it to like my brain and be like, hey, you know, like I'm gonna download Portuguese, and like now I can understand the Portuguese every time they speak to me. Like that'd be so cool. But also like I don't want anybody to hack my brain. Don't hack my brain. I like my brain. Okay, so reading back the prompt. Within the item cards, within case purchase, we show a list of skins that can be obtained from the case. So, as such, right? Okay. Due to regulation, we now need to show the percentage odds for each skin. We can do that based off the rarity odds, which is a module that lists out all the odds for the different things, given the specific case type, and the rarity odds for the hex color of the skin. for displaying the actual percentage, I think that we can just pass it in as the where name prop. I gotta double check this in the item card. So in the item card, I have where text. Oh hey, foot longsicle, foot longit sickle. Cool. Anyways, thank you for following. It really helps out a lot. Thank you. It makes me feel good. And also sorry if I butcher names. Like, what's that? Is that a little? What is that? Is that a noob? I have no idea. But thank you. Okay, for displaying the actual percentage, I think that we can just pass it as a where name prop. So where text. I believe that we have where text somewhere. Where text. Oh man, I don't think. Can we not edit the where text? Oh, that really sucks. If we can't change the where text, that'd be kind of like sucky. I'm looking for like well worn. Oh goodness. Well worn? No. Okay, do we have it? Okay, GUI service, user input service, React, Ripple. We don't use Ripple yet. Auto UI stroke, Blue Gem badge, types, haptics, sound effects, GUI utilities, use animated number, Blue Gem lookup. Okay, well, I've tried it with an IPA reader, and the closest I got to sound what along is the C with a K. Maybe try double R. Alo strict. Double R? Is that like rolling my R? Like, like alo strict. I can't roll my R's. Use Claude. It's free. I pay for everything. I pay for Claude. I pay for GPT. I pay for Cursor. I pay for Gemini. I pay for four, right? Yeah. So like my money's going to all the AI companies. So it doesn't matter if it's free or not. I have access to Claude. Look, Claude's right here. Say hi, Claude. Say hi, Claude. Say hi, Claude. And then it like modifies my entire code base. That'll be so. Whoa. Man, it's really thinking about how to say hi. Inferring. It's thinking real hard. It's thinking real hard. Oh, apparently I need the Claude AI subscription. Oh no. Maybe it's not free. I do have a subscription, but thank you. Yeah, we're gonna keep doing this. We're definitely gonna. I mean, maybe the live stream's lower in frequency, just because like I don't really know if people care to watch the stream on a weekday as much as like Sunday. Sunday was our biggest day. We had like 70 people. But yeah, I don't know. Like then we started doing it on the weekdays, and then like we had like single digits, which is like okay. Like I don't know. I'm working anyway, so like why not bring the community? So yeah, I don't know. That's pretty cool. Claude is cool. Oh, Claude helped with the case battles actually. So I mean, it's not like a like we're throwing Claude under the bus. We use Claude all the time. So yeah. For displaying the actual luck percentage, this is a problem because like I need to display like for instance like in the game, right? If we roll, you notice these item cards right here, they'll like go in and it's on the left? I thought it was on the right. Crap. Well then, I thought it was on the right. I thought it was totally on the right. I don't know. It kind of like makes sense on the left. Okay, well worn WW. So I'm gonna look for actually I'm gonna look for the item card here. So it's gonna be in my where is it? Cases. It's going to be an inventory screen GUI. It's going to be in inventory list, scrolling frame, item card, that only item card. Then the price, the float value. Okay, it's called float value. So float value is what it's called. Okay, there we go. And what does the text say? So get where oh, interesting. And I almost don't want to override it, because like what's happening is like the way that it says WW right there on the AUG right now, signal scanner, that is a where abbreviation. Like there's a function for figuring out like, hey, based on the where, like how do you abbreviate that? And that sucks, because I need to put like a percentage there. And I don't know if let's check this icon real quick. Let's investigate here real quick. So we have the float value, the price is in the top right, the lock button is in the top left. I mean, we have space on the bottom right to do it, but there's more like visual space if we do it in the bottom left. And so it's going to be messy, because you know what? I have an idea. So just like the float value. Wait, I'm thinking, I'm ruminating. Okay, I think I know what to do. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this float value thing and I'm gonna make another copy of it, and it's just gonna be like where percentage. Where did I learn to code? I'm self-taught, so I actually just Roblox is where I learned to code, really, because like I could just like how I started was I just literally went to the Roblox free models and I saw how other models were made, and then I just kind of like copied that. Hey, okay, cool. Oh shoot, whoa, I got a bit. Well, that's like the first time ever that's happened. Hey, thank you so much for that. Hey, look, W. Thank you. All right. Hey, have a good night. Yeah, don't be forced to stay up. But maybe we'll do these earlier. What's your time zone? So what's your time zone so that we can do these a little like around everyone's time? If I gift X-ray, if I gift can X-ray, what? What does that mean? Who's X-ray? Fox Gameplay YT. If I gift can X-ray, what? Who's X-ray? I don't know who X-ray is. It'd be like forced to an X-ray machine. You're gonna like force me through the freaking no. Oh, thank you. Oh, Germany. Okay, cool. Hey, that's sick. I mean, hey, Europe is cool. I want to visit Germany one day. Cool. Well, yeah. Good night, dude. I mean, like, I had to keep you up. Whoa. Yeah, that's early. Yeah, definitely get some sleep. All right. So, here's the idea. For showing the percentage odds, we're going to take what we see here with the well-worn, the WW, and we're just going to like copy it. And then we're going to take that and just overlay the same thing and display that as the percentage odd. So that's what I'm going to try and do. So let's go ahead and do that. For displaying the actual percentage, I think that we can just pass. Sorry, for displaying the actual percentage, what I want to do with item card, item card. Is that the right item card? Item card. React components. Yes, it is. What I want to do with item card is copy what's going on. Sorry, copy what we did with the float value and make a separate version in the same position and size just for odds value. And what this is going to do is when we pass in a percentage as props to the item card, it's just going to show that odds value and hide it if it's not present. Okay, so that should be good to go. Let's just make sure that our GitHub is good to go. It is. Always commit changes before you let the AI rip. 3, 2, 1, go. It's pretty sick. I'll trace the case data into item card, confirm how float value is rendered. It's right there. And then add optional props to calculate each skin's percentage from the case rarity table. I hope it gets it right. I hope and pray. The roll generator first samples a rarity and then selects uniformly from that rarities pool. Check the exact bucketing rare / gold items for the display per skin probability rather than merely the whole rarities tier chance. Well, that's kind of what we want anyway. I don't know, but I guess it's gonna try. But like, I don't want to do that within item card. I don't want any of the odds logic in the rarity card. Oh, remember that these odd percentages should only be shown during case purchase and nowhere else. Steer. Cool. Yeah. Okay, that's exactly what I want. Good job. I was gonna say Claude. Codex? Codex. W Codex. We have some new React code. That looks correct to me. That position should be the same. So 0.5, 0.488. Yep, correct. Correctamundo, 0.2, 0.176. Yep, correct. And the text should be, there we go, odds value. Yeah. Cool. Well, that's correct. So I got the React stuff. Have I made other games? Yes, I have made other games, actually. The most notable and like the biggest game I worked on was this game called Combat Warriors. I worked on a lot of like some like Wukong staff stuff. And then I also did some anti-cheats for it as well. But it's also just like in the Twitch as well, like in the Twitch about page. It shows like a few of my like most notable projects. The one that I had the most fun on was probably working for Swedish House Mafia. So that was pretty cool. We worked directly with Republic Records, and we made a concert on Roblox, and I got to like do all the lasers and like lights and stuff, and that was pretty cool. Holy crap! My like nose is so itchy right now. Why does this only happen on stream? I only get like itchy noses when I need to wash my nose or take like Claritin. I'll be right back because this is like unbearable. Oh look, it's implemented. Okay, just give me one quick second and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. The concert stuff is cool. I play Combat Wars and it's full of sweats. It definitely is. There's a lot of people that like go through extreme lengths. I mean, like they go through as extreme lengths of as like making like custom cheats for like anti-parry and like it's just ridiculous the amount of stuff that they do. But yes, it is full of sweats. Maybe honestly, like we should make like a well, I mean it's not we anymore. I don't work for them anymore, but they Fox gameplay cheats. Exposed. Yeah, no, yeah, no, that was quite something. And like part of like what I was doing was like just trying to like detect the hacking software and just like shut it down. Or like I forget what we did. I think we just like I think like there's like an anti-exploit like main system and like the main system would kind of like put a note on your thing. I can't reveal too much, but like basically like you get a little strike. Okay, so these odds should be displaying now. If let's check Roblox. Introduce the hacking software or introduce the game? I make well, they're custom solutions. They're not they're not like off the shelf things that you could just like buy and then all of a sudden your game is protected from exploiters. Not quite, because like the what cheats like exploit like the damnest things. It's like it's insane. I'm like, oh well, how did they figure that out? Like I have no idea, but yeah. Wow, look at Cobblestone. Cobblestone is like broken $800 for the first time ever. It used to be like $1,000. Now it's like 700. Hacking software, not the game. Oh crap! I've lost where this was. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Oop, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Break. There we go. I have these like two little like magnet things. Oh, that's who X-Ray is. I remember when it was 1K. Yeah, exactly. Um, but we've like boosted the prices back. I think that like what happened, and we've talked about it on previous streams, is that there's been like a recent like CS:GO like market crash, and that was catastrophic to the entire game because like we like ride on the new on the prices live from the game, and well when the stock market crashes, we crash too. So like we have to like really be militant about like, okay, shit's going down. Like we recovered our market. We like a lot of the prices were missing just because people sold their super rare items just to stop the bleeding. And because of that, we lost pricing data on like Dragon Lore, like Factory New. It was really bad. But yeah, no, I remember when it was $1,000, I was like, wow. And it was like one of the biggest drains in the game. Oh, look, it works. It works. It works. Yes. 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 Cool. If you can see right here, 79.87%. So you can see the actual like percentages here. Oh, look, and then you have 0.03 for the Dragon Lore. Do I play CSGO? Too many sweats. That's my answer. My game is like, I wake up every day and I play Roblox. Like Roblox Studio is what I open. You know, like that's like my game. That's the game I play every day. It's Roblox. Roblox. Life is. I should have that on my soundboard. Life is Roblox. I'm gonna write that down somewhere. Life is Roblox. Life is Roblox. Life is Roblox. Life. Can I do like a little like? I can write on this. Oh no. Do I play CSGO? No. I watch people play it. My roommate used to play it a lot. I just like have no desire to play it. I don't know. I like a lot of. Okay, this is also count like. Do I know Onapixel personally? No. One, I'm not in Germany. That's where he's based, right? What inspired me to make a CSGO based game? Phoenix. Phoenix was kind of like the guy that like, hey, let's make this game. And then I was like, okay, I could do that. And so like, I just kind of like, I'm the brains behind making it happen. He's kind of like the ideas guy. He kind of like has the whole like concept of it and like what's going to happen. Because like, I don't know half of these stuff. Like, but I think that like it's kind of turned me into like a CSGO skin nerd at this point. Like my roommate has told me directly, Aaron, you know more about CSGO skins than I do, and I play CSGO. And I was like, damn. Well, if you put it that way, I don't know. I guess we have to obsess about it in order to like be like super accurate. But I don't know. I like how this is 6-7%. Anyways, life is Roblox. Add like a soundboard. One of these days. Yeah, but I don't know. I know a lot of like influencers. I just don't know like Onapixel. I'm sure if like Onapixel streams on Twitch, right? Yeah, he does, right? He should. Or is it YouTube? Does he stream on YouTube or Twitch? I'm pretty sure it's Twitch, right? Yeah, it is Twitch. Okay, cool. Maybe he streams on both. Seems like he does both. Wow. Bro has like 3 million followers. Pretty crazy. Maybe one of these days we'll catch their glance. Can we do a case battle? We can. What, in the main game? I could try. I'm opening it. It's opening. Why don't you create one and then I'll just... Well, actually, I don't know what you look like. Oh my gosh, it's Michael Jackson. That face is insane. That face is insane. Which is it? Is it just this cobblestone one? Waiting for players. There we go. Oh, too late. If we get a dragon lore in this one, it's going to be crazy. I don't think that we will, though. Nice. When does this get good? I like the spectators feature. I just kind of added it because I wanted to. Like Phoenix didn't ask me or anything. I was just kind of I was kind of like, who's watching? It's kind of like it kind of adds like some liveliness to. Ah, shoot, clueless one. Oh well. So what am I looking for? Who am I looking for? I'm just gonna look for a bunch of cobblestones. That's all I'm gonna do. It is. Yeah, what did he get anyway? I don't even remember. Create the battle. Suit and blonde hair. It's all cobblestone one, suit and blonde hair. I gotta make this easier to do. Oh, here we go. I found it. Dab King. All right, let's go. Yar. Oof. P2000 chainmail. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Man. Rust coat, bro. Nar. Come on, get something good. Work harder. Work harder. Psh. For the low price of $13.99 if you order now. There's an airdrop in 2 minutes, by the way. Oh, goodness. Come on. Oh, I'm on top. Royal blue. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Nice. Okay. No dragon lores, though. GG. Oh man. Okay, back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Okay, cool. Well, now this seems to be working just fine. So I think that we have a success now. We have a success. Ah! Crash out. Linus Tech Tips. Dude, I love this shirt so much. So I think we got a success today. So we are we have regulatory odds now. So now, oh look, airdrop. I'm not gonna go grab them. I just want to watch them. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Oh look, this guy's gonna get this one. Nice. What did he get? There's another one over here. Somebody has to get this one. Come on. Come on. Everyone has access to zone 1 or 2, right? I don't want it. I mean, I have all the game passes, so I don't need it. But what did they get? They got 2x luck for 5 minutes, and they got more cases, 6 cases for 5 minutes. Cool. Well, I don't want to take this one. Somebody take it. Cool. Well, what are we at right now? Okay, we got 6 minutes. 6 minutes left on stream. I only want to stream for 2 hours just so I don't burn out. But man, I mean, we did a lot today. You know, we did a lot in terms of just showing these rarity odds. We boosted the luck for the blue gems with the blue gem luck game pass, and you can purchase that. You can also gift it as well. I need to test this with Phoenix, but we're gonna make sure it's all hammered out and there's no bugs with it before we push it out on Friday. But Friday is gonna be a really big day. We're gonna launch that feature. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastic. You guys should come on stream. I think we're also gonna be unboxing something from Road. From our little, we got a free gift from these guys. It arrives on the 3rd to the 5th. When is that? The 3rd is gonna be on Monday. Okay, well maybe it's not gonna make it in time. So it's about a week from now, basically. Okay, it's shipping all the way from Australia. That's insane. Because like Rode is an Australian company. I also have a package today. It's like a kind of like a, I don't know. Is that like exciting? Like, I don't know. I could unbox something on stream right now. That'd be kind of cool. I don't know. We could do it. You know what? Why don't we? I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to bring it in. I'll be right back. I'm going to bring it in. We're going to unbox something on stream real quick. I'll be right back. Oh man, this thing is so gigantic. I'm back. I had a question. When is trading gonna come to the game? So trading, I guess we could do that very soon. Trading was a thing that I wanted to be very careful about, just because you know, there's always a potential for abuse with trading. So I just want to be very careful about that. But we'll do it soon. We'll do it at some point. Cool. We'll do it at some point. Yeah, the concern was that, like, if we do trading, are people going to dupe and everything else like that? And I just, like, it's something that we're like, just like bank, where we had to be very meticulous and careful about it. We had to do the same. All right, let's unbox this little thing right here. So why don't we? I'm gonna like do that. Okay, cool. Now we can. Yeah, cool. So let's pull out a little trusty little blade right here. We got a little box right here. This box is so huge. It's lagging. Why is the stream? It's saying it's excellent. Oh, shoot. Okay. Well, I wonder if it's because OBS. Is it still lagging? Hello, 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 hello. Oh man. Okay, cool. Yay. All right, we're back. We're back. I don't know. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's like all destroyed in here. Yikes, dude. Well, that's not great. Take a look at this. Okay. Look at this. It's like destroyed, dude. Oh, what the hell? It's like it's been like messed with. What is this? What is the meaning of this? Why is it all ripped up? Why is it all ripped up? What? What did they do? Bro, it's like someone took a freaking bite out of this. Like what? They just whoosh. What happened? What happened? What happened? I'm gonna turn this box upside down. Oh. Okay. So I got a new it is not a 3D printer, but I do have a 3D printer upstairs. The 3D printer, I don't know, we could do some 3D print streams. That'd be kind of cool. This is a, you know, like I have a few problems, like, you know, like it gets a little hot when I sleep. We have like a heat wave in the United States. This is called a chili pad. Not sponsored, by the way. Not sponsored at all. If this is sponsored, this is how you want to represent your brand? Like, come on. 3D printed dragon lore incoming? You know, that'd be kind of sick, but I need a bunch of like different colors for it. I need to figure out how to do all that. Okay, so this is one box. Comes from North Carolina. Pretty cool. That goes on the floor. Oh, so this is called the dock. Okay, so this is the thing that contains the water that will go through my bed. So basically, I'm trying to water cool myself. So yeah. So this is a system cleaner, I guess. So like I can flush out all the icky stuff, I guess, in the system. It's interesting. This is a water hose, I guess. So like it's part of the water cooling system. I get to like 3D printed dragon lore incoming. I mean, honestly, we can do that. We will do that. How about, I promise you we'll do it at some point. This is the hydro layer. So this goes on top of my bed. This goes on top of my bed, and that is what cools me. So yeah, so basically like water goes through my bed, and it just either heats you up or cools you down. And so yeah. It's gonna be a cool system. This is the cover, apparently. There we go. That's the cover. What is this? Gigantic quick start guide. Bro. Oh shoot. Wow, look at all those instructions. I guess. Oh, what? Dude, this thing's freaking gigantic. It's like bigger than my head. Oh well. Okay, well, that's kind of like it. I guess they have some like social pages back there. I don't know if you can even see that. Doesn't matter. Man, so many boxes. Okay, so yeah, that's what this is. It's just kind of like a little like cover thing for my bed. Oh, wow. So yeah, it's just nothing but fabric that's just gonna go on my bed. And then the most interesting thing to me is gonna be the hydrolator. So I'm gonna like zip this up. And the hydrolator seems a bit interesting. Like water cooling yourself. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all that hardware in there. So that's where your water cooling attaches to. And it's just kind of like a little rubberized thing, and you see that? So the water will kind of like go through that, and then it'll cool you down. So that's kind of cool. Which way is up? Chili pad. Not sponsored, by the way. I just don't like 8 sleep because it means that you can so you know how you can do parkour for $5, right? You can glitch where you don't gotta do the parkour, just sit in the zone and it pays you. Oh. Well, you know, at least like in that, I mean, I kind of know that we have like errors with that, but like why I'm not too concerned about it is because like I know that the payout for it is delayed. So it kind of like we counted how long it would take the average person in order to complete the obby. And we just kind of like put a delay. So even if you are in the zone and you don't get teleported back for whatever reason, yes, you don't have to do all the work, but you still earn at the rate as if you were doing the work, if that makes any sense. So we've throttled it down. We've kind of like made sure that the rate at which you get stuff is like not that crazy. Cool. Well, I'm kind of excited to put this on my bed. But that kind of does it for today's stream. If you guys have anything else that you'd like to talk about, let me know. I'll give you a minute. Oh, by the way, I can also like raise my desk. This is more comfortable. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so it's not too much of an issue basically with that obby, but thank you for bringing it up. I mean, like, you know, there's plenty of things where we do need to like pay attention to. Let's check this out. So if I just stand here. Oh, like that? Oh, wow. Okay, that is an interesting glitch. Is it this? It's this, huh? Okay, well, I'll like... Yeah. Well, okay. We'll fix that at some point. It's just not too much of an issue. But if you do find that, I'm not too pressed if you abuse that for now, at least. All right. All right. Well, if that's it, I mean, we've done quite a lot today. So we've done quite a lot. We have implemented the Blue Gem Luck. We have implemented the new Game Pass. And what else have we done? We've also put in the rarity percentages for every skin. So that's going to be good. And then on top of that, I guess we just surprise unboxing of my new chili pad that I ordered like 2 months ago. Holy crap. And it just came back in. But yeah, that's been a very successful stream. We got like a lot done in the game. And yeah, just stay tuned for Friday because that's when we're really going to drop it. We just got to make sure that everything's in order, that nothing is like bugged or anything else like that. And then we'll just drop it on Friday. So yeah, stay tuned. And without further ado, see you on the next stream. Oh man.